In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bjorgum MTF MA in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to find the indicator, add it to your chart, and access its settings so you can start customizing it for your own trading strategy. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open. It doesn't matter which market you're looking at to start with. You can be on stocks, crypto, forex, or any other asset. Once the chart is open and you're comfortable with the layout, move your attention to the top of the screen where the main toolbar is located. Look for the Indicators button near the top of your chart. It usually appears as a small icon with a drop-down label that says Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the indicator window, which is where you can search for and add different tools to your chart. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar across the top. Click into that search bar so you can start typing. This is where you're going to look up the specific indicator we're adding today. Now type Bjorgum MTF MA into the search field. Make sure you spell it correctly, so TradingView can find the right indicator. As you type, a list of matching indicators will appear below. When you see Bjorgum MTF MA in the results, click on it once. TradingView will automatically apply it to your active chart, and you should notice new moving average lines, or graphics, appear over your price action. Once the indicator is added, the next step is to open its settings so you can adjust it to your preferences. On your chart, hover over the name of the indicator, which is usually shown in the upper left corner of the chart area. You'll see a small gear icon appear next to the indicator name. Click that gear icon to open the settings panel. Inside the settings window, you'll be able to change things like timeframes, colors, line styles, and other inputs that control how the multi-time frame moving average behaves and looks on your chart. Spend a moment exploring these options so you can align the indicator with your current strategy and visual preferences. If you don't already have a TradingView Pro account and you want to follow along exactly with all the features I'm using, you can use the sign up link in the video description below. That's all there is to it. You've just added the Bjorgum MTF MA indicator in TradingView Pro and accessed its settings, so you're ready to start incorporating it into your analysis.